Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how you can turn off the service of Building Operation 3.2 Enterprise Server software on a timely basis. For example, if you want the software service to automatically turn off after 1 day, 10 days, or 1 month on a specific date or time, then first, type Services into the search bar. After that, right-click on the software whose service you want to turn off, go to Properties, and copy the service name from there. Then, you need to go back to the search bar and open Notepad. Once Notepad is open, you should type the following command: net stop Building Operation 3.2 Enterprise Server, replacing it with the service name you copied earlier. After that, click on File and select Save As, then save it to any location you prefer. Always make sure to save the file with a .bat extension. For example, you can save it as stop.bat. Next, you should return to the search bar and search for Task Scheduler. Afterward, click on Create Basic Task. In the Name field, you can enter any name you like. Here, I'm using Stop Service Building Operation 3.2 Enterprise Server. Then, click on Run with Highest Privileges. Then, click on the Triggers tab. Here, you should set the time at which you want to turn off the service. For example, you can click on Daily and specify the time when you want it to turn off. After that, click on the Actions tab. Here, you should select Start a Program and then click on Browse. From there, you should select the .bat file you created earlier. Next, go to the Conditions tab and uncheck the option related to power. Then, click OK to proceed. At this point, all the necessary steps have been completed. Now, you should wait for the specific time you set earlier. When that time arrives, the service of Building Operation 3.2 Enterprise Server will automatically turn off. This shows that the Building Operation 3.2 Enterprise Server service has turned off automatically. If you liked today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.